Before we get to the intro today, I'm going to show you guys the 2 rooms that I have to do. Holy moly, this is one room. All right, let's go to the next room. And this is the second room I got to do today. All right. Oh, yeah. And over here. All right, and let's get to the intro downstairs. We made it outside, Brownstown. Holy moly. Brownstown. Andre, Brown's Professional Carpet. I'm going to keep it on because it's freezing out here. It's below freezing today. It's about 29 degrees. So I'm keeping the face mask on, guys. So hopefully you can hear me well. Brownstown, we're here on the job of the day. Please, I hope you guys can hear me. Please, I hope you guys can hear me clear. But Brownstown, we got 2 bedrooms here today. New customer, guys. They looked us up on Google, YouTube, Instagram. They said your work is incredible, and that's the reason why we chose you. We had experiences in the past with carpet cleaners coming in. Our carpets took 2 days to dry. All of the stains came back up when they cleaned them, guys, and things like that, and it's hard and crunchy, like we like to explain. Of course, we was there years ago. 3 rooms for $99, 2 rooms for $79, things like that. You have to start somewhere for all your cleaners out there. You have to start somewhere. You can't come out and charge really high, but you don't have the quality behind your services to compensate that pricing. So Brownstown, we're gonna go in so you see exactly what we got to do. You already seen it. 2 bedrooms. I'm gonna go in with the empty canister, starting with the workhorse, and I think we're gonna have some beautiful carpet lines on these carpets, guys. Holy moly. Brownstown, let's get on. Let's get ready to do this video. Here we go.
It is freezing out here, Brownstown. Holy moly. What?
Okay, Brownstown, we're still holy. Starting with an empty, dirty canister. Oh, right, it's empty though. Let's see. Oh, there we go. All right. Brownstown, look at this here. Let me block this sun a little bit. Okay, you see this there, Brownstown? Look at that. It's attached to the fibers. Holy moly. So unless you pretty much use some shears to cut that off, that's stuck there, guys. Yeah, Brownstown, I think that's stuck there. Holy moly. Hey, Brownstown. Oh, sleeping on the job. hours today, guys. Holy. I gotta find somewhere to dump this out. It's cool.